Hello everyone, it's time to know an efficient way to structure phrases in Korean.
Actually, no, it's because we're gonna talk about something else. There are three things you need to know. So, let's begin.
Back to the basics. So the first one is basic verbs. Go, eat, sleep, drink, etc. And I guess you use these kinds of words every day, right? So I'm gonna use these kinds of words for the lessons. Number 2, conjugation. Tense, gender, former, informer. Usually conjugations are changed by tense, gender, informer, and former. But when you use Korean, your accent can be changed by gender, but conjugation, never changed. So all we need to think about is tense or former, informer. Now, let me tell you something about former and informer in Korean. Formal is 존댓말, informal is 반말. And let's see when you can use 존댓말. When you meet someone for the very first time, you use 존댓말. And to people you're not so close, you also use 존댓말. And one of the reasons why Koreans care about age is because they can choose what they're gonna use. Mostly youngers are using formal to elders. And what about informal? Usually to your same age friends, you can use informal. And it's an opposite with 존댓말. When you're older, then you usually use informal to youngers. Anyways, as you can see, to use proper 존댓말 or 반말, age matters, but sometimes you need to think about position too. For an example, in Korea at work, if your boss is younger but the position is higher, so you need to use 존댓말. And once again, for the next time, don't worry, when I teach one vocabulary, I'm gonna explain 존댓말 and 반말 both of ways. Korean infinitive verbs, everything ends with ta. Ta sounds like ta, right? But actually is ta. And be careful, adjectives ends with ta as well. For an example, a verb is 먹다, an adjective many, 많다. Don't forget these three things. Number 1, basic verbs, verbs that you use every day. Number 2, conjugation, gender doesn't matter, all about tense and formal, informal. Number 3, infinitive, both ends with ta. Finish.